Now I could do the same thing for the num courses visited field that I did for the other two fields. That is, group the records by account key, then sum up the num courses visited field for each account key. However, if I did this, the results would be a little bit strange. For example, suppose this student visited 3 courses their first day, 0 courses their second day, and 1 course their third day. Then the total for this student would be 4, but that's not equal to the number of days the student visited the classroom at all, which is 2, and it's not equal to the number of unique courses the student visited, which is either 3 or 4, depending on this was the same course as one of these 3. Instead, I would prefer to analyze the total number of days each student visited the classroom at all, regardless of how many courses they visited that day. There are a couple of ways I could accomplish this. First, I could change the code in the SumGroupedItems function, or create a new similar function that instead of adding each number up, adds up the total number of records where the number is greater than 0. Alternatively, I could create a new field in the data called hasVisited that is either 1 or 0. It's 1 if the student visits the classroom at all on that day, and 0 otherwise. If I do this, I could call the same SumGroupedItems function that I've already written to add up these numbers, and what I would get is the total number of days that the student visited the classroom. This second way is the way I would prefer to use, but either one should work. Using whichever of these two methods you prefer, calculate the mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum for this number, the number of days students visit any nanodegree course during their first week. Then enter your results in these boxes.